Korean Aviation Security Act and regulations strictly limit volume. They will only be allowed in carry-on baggage if they are kept in containers with volumes of not more than 100 milliliter each.
Okay. What's this?
Chicken and chips.
Chicken chips and drink. Spicy?
We're gonna exchange at
yeah.
Hong Kong, yeah?
Oh yeah.
Exchange at Hong Kong.
Look at it, spins around.
Oh, does it? No, it does not.
Yeah, it was spinning when I was walking.
Oh, is it? Go, eat it. Spicy as hell?
No,
Looks spicy.
more like a sweet chili.
Huh? Tell me how the porridge is. Good? Okay. You can put seaweed in it. Wonton noodles. So now we are in Hong Kong. And we have to catch a train. Hi. And we have to catch a train to immigration and then pick up our check-in luggage. It's already here, right? No one's gonna steal it anyway.
Just here.
Luggage storage right there.
I don't know.
Mark is here. So we're in the cab. We're sitting in the cab. And our luggage is hanging out with the boot open. I hope my luggage doesn't fall off. It's still like, it looks like it's wide open.
Yeah, that's what happened last time.
But you know how like big ones are fine, but what about the two small ones?
Should be okay.
She'll be right, mate. She'll be
We
right.
were here last time, me and Maria.
I kept looking behind.
Yeah, I know. And they're full gunning it, eh? On the freeway.
I know, we're like, oh shit. This is equivalent to like me, you, Maria, and Man's luggage last time anyway.
Yeah.
That was 4 people.
Yeah, but you probably won't.
You count as 2 people in.
Yeah. But I'm just saying, like, so you guys fit in the front and all the suitcases were in the back.
Yeah, it was.
Do you guys have to carry on or just only big one suitcase?
Big ones only.
Nice day today.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Beautiful. Beautiful. I'm in a good mood. I'm buzzing, bro. I love this place.
So this is our Airbnb. We just got here, so our luggage is all over the place, but let me show you a quick look. This is the bathroom. There's probably the washing machine and dryer. This is the shower. It's separated by a shower curtain. There's some body wash, shampoo, conditioner. This is the toilet. Here is the sink. And what is this? Oh, okay, there's a lock there, which is storage, I guess. And shower cap, toothbrush set right there. We have a massage automatic chair here. Some seating here. There's a rice machine here. We can eat dinner here with dinner table. So as you can see, the small kitchen area. And let's see what's inside the kitchen. washing rubbish bin on the floor. There's a microwave. There's a what's that? A Keurig egg. The Keurig coffee machine. Freezer. Fridge. Oh, there's a hot water dispenser. Hot water dispenser.
You gotta turn the hot water on before you shower.
I don't know about that. There's some cooking utensils, some sauces, sauce.
It says that you gotta turn the hot water on.
Dishwasher. Let's see what's in the cupboard. Some supplies. I don't know what's in there. I don't want to look there. Some plates. Cups right there.
Oh, sensor. Security.
So that's a projector and the screen is right there. This is the bedroom with the glass doors, but they also have curtains going down, so if you want some privacy. There's aircon in here, hey. There's more aircon there. This is the bedroom, yep. This is a pull-out sofa here, and in front is the entertainment system. What would you call that? The air purifier?
Speakers.
Speakers? No, I think that's an air purifier.
Oh, that.
Yeah.
I don't know.
This is the entertainment system. Some games, DVDs, there's an aircon up there. And out here, we have balcony. So there's a chair here, table there. And this is our view outside of our Airbnb. Damn, son. Whoa. So we've unpacked in this Airbnb. It's a little bit tiny for us because all our luggage is all over the floor. It's pretty hard to open our luggage. So it's like we have to open it one at a time or one in different areas. Anyways, we're gonna lock up, go out to eat somewhere in Hong Kong, and then we might go drinking tonight, either to a bar or to a club, who knows. I'm not gonna bring this camera. I'm gonna try to film with my iPhone as always. Even though there's no space left on my iPhone, I'll try to record as much as I can.
It's not on the suggested.